Our final stop brings us to the royal heart of London, a landscape of grand palaces and historic royal parks. We begin at Buckingham Palace, the official London residence and administrative headquarters of the monarchy. Originally built in 1703, the palace now boasts 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms. A highlight for many is the changing of the guard, a tradition that dates back to the reign of Queen Victoria. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Stretching away from the palace is the Mall, a grand ceremonial route designed as a memorial to Queen Victoria. At its end stands the Victoria Memorial, crafted from over 2,000 tons of white Carrara marble. Bordering the mall is St. James's Park, the oldest of the capital's 8 royal parks. Look out for the resident pelicans, which have lived here since they were gifted by the Russian ambassador in 1664. The Blue Bridge offers a famous view of the palace to the west and the London Eye to the east. Once a marshy hunting ground, the park was redesigned in a formal French style by King Charles II. Continuing west, we enter the vast expanse of Hyde Park, spanning 350 acres. Established by Henry VIII in 1536, it has served as a space for both royal hunting and public protest. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. At its heart is the Serpentine, a recreational lake created in 1730 at the request of Queen Caroline. Nearby is Speaker's Corner, a historic site for public debate where figures like George Orwell have spoken. We also find the Diana Memorial Fountain, a unique stone ring designed to represent the facets of her life. Despite being in the center of a bustling city, these parks remain a sanctuary for local wildlife. On the western edge sits Kensington Palace, a royal residence for over 300 years. It was the birthplace of Queen Victoria and later became the home of Princess Diana. The palace's history is deeply intertwined with the young royals who have grown up within its walls. In the sunken garden, a permanent statue now honors the memory and legacy of Princess Diana. Leaving the tranquility of the parks, we head south into the high-fashion district of Knightsbridge. Our tour concludes at Harrods, the world's most famous luxury emporium. Founded in 1849, it occupies a 5-acre site and features its own motto, "Everything for everyone, everywhere." The legendary food halls are a sensory feast, decorated with intricate tiling and gold leaf. London's history is etched into its stones and its parks. We hope you've enjoyed this walking tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.